मनोज सर, हम सब आपके शिष्य हैं. Like we have learned everything from you. I hope we can become even 10% of what you are. आपने बहुत सारे फौजी के रोल करे हैं, काफ़ी करे हैं.
2-3 किए हैं.
Yes. फैमिली मैन में आप एक इंटेलिजेंस ऑफिसर का रोल कर रहे हो. इस टाइम हमारी कंट्री में नहीं, in the entire world the situation is very volatile. What do you have to say about our soldiers? What do you have to say about our jawans who are fighting for our lives, for our safety? And what do you think is happening in the entire world? Where are we leading to?
All we can do is just keep praying for them.
Yeah.
When the army is there, they are making sure that you are protected. All you can do is just keep them in your prayers all the time. Nobody goes or joins an army to die, right?
Right, nobody does.
Nobody wants. Even the families don't want. You want your borders to be safe. You want peace to prevail everywhere. But this is a very extraordinary situation we are living in. People are very angry with each other, and they really don't know why they are angry with each other.
Yeah.
And very anxious too, I think.
And all of us are going through the most anxious time, and it
Yes.
is, you really don't know where it is going to end because it's just begun. So let's, keep everyone in our prayers, keep praying for near and dear ones. And all I would say that this is a great tribute from Sandeep and his company and the directors and the music directors and the actors in the series, to all the people who are securing our borders and fighting for the country. मैं इस पूरे के पूरे जमावड़े में मैं कबाब में हड्डी हूँ क्योंकि मैं इसमें था नहीं, but Sandeep I know since the time he was very young, since the time he was a journalist. I know how enthusiastic he is and where he comes from, the struggle, the journey that he's gone through. I'm very proud of him, what he has all been doing with himself. You are very right that he is a very helpful.
Yes.
He's a 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m. friend.
Yes.
So, but I try to, just be available whenever he wants me to be there. But when these people are starting out, Gohar I know since a few years now. Mira I know. जाओ सब बड़े हम आपके मुरीद हैं.
सब है.
और हमारे बहुत पुराने मित्र जो हैं.
लग रहा था.
जी. तो पहले तो मैं इनको पहचान नहीं पाया. मुझे लगा कोई डायरेक्टर बैठा है. But मेरी शुभकामनाएं सबको. और मैं भी जानता हूँ कि इसका संगीत बहुत अच्छा बन पड़ा है. और आज की शाम खास करके मीडिया के सामने ये जो शाम है एक तरीके से ये बिलोंग करती है सारे सिंगर्स को और सारे म्यूज़िक वीडियो डायरेक्टर्स को, सारे लिरिसिस्ट को और एक्टर्स जिन्होंने काम किया उसमें. जब ये सीरीज़ आएगी तब बाकी एक्टर्स का काम लोगों को देखने को मिलेगा, लेकिन आपकी आज की शाम ये आप लोगों के लिए है, सबके लिए. एंड बिग कंग्रेचुलेशन फॉर दैट.
दोस्ती कैसे निभा लेते हो? दोस्ती कैसे निभा लेते हो? निभा नहीं पाता कोई इससे.
दोस्ती निभानी नहीं होती है, दोस्ती महसूस की जाती है.
क्या बात है.
जैसे मैंने कहा कि I try and be available whenever he
Very
wants.
nice. I would also like to thank the entire technician and team of Fauji Album 2.0, especially Tawseef Sheikh. He's done mixing and mastering for the album. And now the media is open for all the questions to anybody.